Working on a project and your table just won't fit in portrait mode? The columns are squished and the formatting is messy? Don't worry, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to make just one page in Microsoft Word turn to landscape, while keeping the rest of your document in portrait. Let's go. Click just before the part of your document where the wide table starts. This is where you want the landscape page to begin. Go to the Layout tab and click Breaks. Under Section Breaks, choose Next Page. This pushes your table to a new section so Word can treat it differently from the rest of the document. Click just after the table ends. Repeat, Layout, Breaks and Next Page again. Now your table is between two section breaks. Word sees it as a separate section. Click anywhere in the middle, where your table is, to activate that section. Now go to Layout tab. Click Orientation and choose Landscape. Only the page between the two section breaks, where the table is, will switch to landscape. Everything else stays in portrait. And that's it. Your wide project table now fits perfectly on one landscape page, and the rest of your document remains clean and untouched. Hit like and subscribe to Praisetech Studios for more smart formatting tutorials. See you in the next video. I'm Douglas.